Alright, I'm recording this to demonstrate about my project for the web programming 2 module. First, I will turn on the front end and the back end. The back end server will be running on the port 3000 and the front end will be 5173. Alright, as you can see now the server is running. I will access the front end. Alright, this is a login and register page. I have the authentication system, so I will try to create a new account. My name, my Gmail, and the password. Alright, registration successful. We can check gmail.com 13456. Alright, I will access the dashboard. We will have several features here. Total work, array score, quick actions, and the work of the day.
Fernweh.
Alright. Some main features will be create topic, vocabulary, take a quiz, flashcard, and the sharing. Alright, I will first add the topic, animals. Add more to organize this, weather and food. Alright, we will come to the vocabulary to add the word into the topic. Hunt, dog. You can
Hund.
check the pronunciation here. Dog. Alright, we create and more work out. Animal. You see the fish. Animal easy. Alright, maybe one more is hard. Select topic, animal is hard. Alright. Weather, wind. Alright, you can search. Wind. You can filter by topic. Alright, no word for food. You can filter by level. You can edit. Test, dog test. Weather, food, medium. Alright. Okay, now let's get back. Alright. We can delete the word. Alright, delete the word from the delete with. Alright. Flashcard.
Hund.
You can hear the pronunciation. You can flip the flashcard. Alright.
Dog.
And you can write topic. If no topic, it will show nothing. Alright. Animals. And shuffle. It's a random flashcard. You know that. You know this. Easy. It will track the session starts. If you don't, it will track the incorrect. Alright. Yeah. Flashcards. And you can take quiz here to the topic or level 10 question. If we don't have enough question in the word list, it will take on the available words. Right now, what is the meaning of jeweler? Oh, elephant, dog, hunt, fish. Right, we will see the result here. You can resend or retry a new quiz. Alright. It is a statistic for you to track your learning progress. There's not so many data because we just create an account, so I will show you the account I have created a month ago for you to see the difference. And example.com. The statistic will be like this. If you have more works, if you have more quizzes, and the difficulty, your statistic would be look like this. It's really cool. Alright. And the work of the day will just show the work automatically generated in the
Fernweh.
database.
Ich spüre Fernweh, wenn ich Reisebilder sehe.
Okay. Alright.
Reiselust.
Reiselust.
Abenteuerlust.
Yeah. Anything is work as expected. And the other, the features will be the sharing. You can share your vocabulary list to order. Let me test. Create. I will create the animals vocabulary. Vocabulary about animals. Alright, next. We will choose the word we want to share. Or you can simply click select on. Select on, it will check all the thing or deselect. Alright, it will be easier for the UX. Alright, you add the email you want to add here. If it on the system, it will suggest for you. If it not, no email files. I will share to Anna. I will share to John, for example. Alright. Yes. And share list. Right now you have the animals vocabulary. If 4 words and they share with 2 people, and you can show again. And in the Anna account, we can receive that shared by Nghĩa Võ Minh right now here. Alright, you can see in the profile you can change the information for you. Click cancel if you want to go back to the initial. Alright, we will test. Alright, the profile will okay. Get back to the initial. As is for the client for the following, and we will come to the admin. Admin. Yeah, you can see all the information here, all vocabulary, the user. Yeah, Võ Minh. See their work or Anna here. Alright, search word. Find the topic on the system and manage the user. Alright, I will add one more user. Find writers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the row user. As you can see, the frame writer is created successfully, and we can edit for frame writers to admin. Alright. And delete. Alright. Yeah, that's all the feature of the admin. Alright, right now I will introduce you about the source code of the backend and frontend. First, we will go to the backend first. And you can see the structure will be one server inside, server outside to this is the system, the whole system. And in the API folder, we will have router, controller, middleware, and models to initialize the router to call an API, the controller to handle the logic to communicate with the database, and the models will be the table. Yeah. Okay, we will come to the server first. As you can see, I use the MongoDB and the Express.js to configure the server. This is a function for you to set the MongoDB to connect the Mongo. Yeah, it will return the promise to check if the MongoDB is connected. And here we initial the app variable and assign the address, and we use some extension. We use some features of the address, such as URL encoded and the address JSON to pass the data to the JSON, so that we can get from the front end call back to the back end. Yeah, and the cookie parser, we will pass the cookie. We pass the cookie so that we can set it on the front end. Yeah, this is a server, and the router. The router will be the main root router, contain all the router on the children router to calling API. And in each router we will have the another children rows to calling the API with the methods get, post, put, or delete. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah. And then in the router it will call our controller. Yeah, the controller of each table will be handle the logics of each feature. Alright, as you can see, our controller will be handle the logic about authentication, the register, login, the Google refresh token, and logout, and the order is as well as the O. Yeah, you can see topic, vocab, and in the command we have the helper function, the interface, because I am coding with the TypeScript, so we need to define the interface and the type so that we can not get the conflict between the type error between the front end and back end, or between the router, the model, the request and the response. It will won't cause conflict if we have the clear type and interface. Alright, here we have interface, success response and error response to return the clean response. Our middleware will be a check the user is login, if the user login, so that the user can call the API on the system. Yeah, that is for the backend. And the front end, I have the app, which is the gateway for the view for the other page to redirect. It will redirect we to the right row. And we have the app here, which contain the parent component will be placed in the views folder. Yeah, separated with the folders. And we will come to the component. Yeah, here is a on component with the share folder. This is a reusable component, and in each folder here we have the children component of its parent here in the view. Alright, the schema will be validation. Store will be store the user, set accept token on the memories, and this is the types we when we receive the response from the backend, we get to assign the type so that we cannot cause conflict. Everything returned is exactly. The router will redirect. We'll create a route so we can redirect on the front end. Yeah. And the API we use assign us to config one file API to request for all of this file, separated. Alright. Yeah, the util, which is a helper function, debounce, the get difficulty color, the speak function to get the speak like Google Translate. Alright. Yeah, that's the front end. Alright, that's all about the source code. I use the MEVN stack, MongoDB, Express.js, Vue.js, and Node.js. Alright.